Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the Windmill Garden. We talk about growing our own food, self-sufficiency, water projects of all types and sizes, water catchment, and permaculture.
Also life and work on a family-owned and operated cattle ranch.
Today, we're diving into permaculture design principle number 3, obtaining a yield. And I'm going to show you how we do that right here at the garden, the Windmill Garden, and on the ranch.
In this arid climate, there's no yield without water, irrigation water. And water, stored groundwater, and stored irrigation water in a tank is one of my yields. Fresh, homegrown vegetables, herbs, and fruits are an obvious yield from the garden. In permaculture, a yield is anything useful that your system produces. That could be food, water, energy, shade, improved soil, even enjoyment and freedom. All these good things that we can produce in our systems are yields. In yields, let us be self-sufficient. When you're designing your permaculture system, your garden, homestead, farm, or ranch, think about what yields are important to you. But now let's talk about soil. Fertile, living soil is produced right here at the Windmill Garden at our soil factory. Chickens work double duty here. They yield us eggs, but maybe more importantly, soil. Each garden season, all garden scraps and food waste end up here. I also bring in waste hay and manure from the ranch and corral. The chickens grind this material up and fertilize it. Then next spring, it's returned to the garden beds. This creates a nutrient loop in the system, in addition to food yields. It's one of the simplest examples of a yield-based design that just keeps giving.
Quick shout out to the sponsor of this video today, Grubterra. These are black soldier fly larvae. We've been using them to supplement our chickens' feed, and the birds go crazy for them. Slow down, guys.
Waste not, want not. That's one of our mottos here at the Windmill Garden. Grubterra larvae are raised on food waste. A 1-pound bag of grubs kept 20 pounds of waste out of a landfill. Grubterra black soldier fly larvae are fed a balanced diet of fruit, vegetables, and carbohydrates derived from local food waste, promoting sustainability. Now that's permaculture. Black soldier fly larvae loaded with vitamins and nutrients for stronger eggs, healthier feathers. They're sustainably grown on farms, and 75% more calcium than mealworms. Not just for chickens, lots of critters will love these grubs. Fish, reptiles, and birds of all type. Don't leave your ducks or turkeys out of the party.
That was a lot of fun. Thanks again, Grubterra. If you'd like to try these black soldier fly larvae out, there's a link in the description of this video. You can get a discount.
My family's been ranching this property for over 40 years, but the ranch is older than that, almost 100 years and 5 generations. Most of the ranchers I know would not call this permaculture. They would probably just call it management. But that's exactly what it is. This is a regenerative system where we manage pasture, water, and genetics to sustain the land and our lives out here. But yields aren't just physical commodities, food, water, soil, cattle. There's a deeper yield in all this: joy, freedom, self-sufficiency, and the peace that comes with working the land.
So when we talk about obtaining a yield in permaculture, it's not just about how much food we can produce. It's about designing systems that feed every part of life. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Well, that's all for now. I hope to see you next time at the Windmill Garden.